Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Last Viking TV back again. If you've ever thought about getting into cryptocurrency, okay, cryptocurrency is taking the world by storm. It really is. With a market cap of over $100 billion, it is the fastest growing investment that anybody could ever do. Keep watching because in this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about cryptocurrency. First of all, thanks for staying. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. It should be down over there or down over there. I do a lot of random stuff, and this just happens to be one of them. Now, to get everything straightened out, I am not a financial advisor. Anything that I say, well, it's just that. Stuff that I say. You should never take investment advice from anyone over the internet, but all I can be is honest with you guys and tell you exactly what I did and what I do. I have no benefit in getting anything really out of this. Although there will be a referral link that you can use down below, and so I'll get to that right now. If you are looking for the safest way to purchase cryptocurrency and everything made legal, you can read the legal description in the company called Coinbase. Coinbase, C-O-I-N-B-A-S-E, Coinbase. There, you can purchase multiple different currencies. All of the currencies there have been approved by Coinbase, and Coinbase is the only exchange for cryptocurrency in the United States to allow investors and citizens to purchase and buy and sell cryptocurrency assets. Now, the best thing to do with the volatility of a market like cryptocurrency, now you may think, well, cryptocurrency's been out for quite a few years. Yes, it has, but with the development of new and better coins and new and better strategies, there really is only one top cryptocurrency right now. You think about this. When oil came out, how many different types of oil were there, and how good was it? Was the oil as good as it was in 1900s as the oil is today with all of the new added technology that we have in oil? No, it's not. Therefore, the prices of the old oil probably a lot cheaper than the new oil. You kind of see what I'm saying? Now, that's just an example. In cryptocurrency, you have the oldest oil being Bitcoin. Yes, you've heard of it all over the news press, Bitcoin. Now, yes, you can purchase Bitcoin using Coinbase. There will be an app, there will be a link down below in the description. You can click on that and you can start trading Bitcoin. Now, although Bitcoin has been nominated as the crypto gold, right? So the equality of gold assets is Bitcoin. Now, getting into Bitcoin currently where it's at, yes, you may get in and it may drop a little bit, but rest assured that Bitcoin is here to stay because it has so much global acceptance, and its dominance of any other coin is around 60% dominance of any other cryptocurrency. Now, that being said, you say Bitcoin to anybody in the world, they're going to hear about it. But you say any other altcoin, which are coins alternative to Bitcoin, which are called altcoins, coins that really have no real world value, in my opinion. I've been doing stock trading, stock investments, Forex. I've been doing a lot of equity trades, been doing a lot of currency trades, Forex, stocks, OTCs, and New York Stock Exchange, S&P 500s, been working a lot of those investments for the past let's say 11 years now, and so I have a lot of experience in doing this myself. A lot of this has been self-taught, and I really have nothing to gain from telling you guys this stuff, and I'm not a financial advisor. But I do want to tell you guys that there is a way that you can get into cryptocurrency. It is pretty safe for the most part. On a day-to-day basis, you have an opportunity to make, depending on really how much you put in. If you're willing to risk a lot, then you're going to gain a lot. If you're willing to risk a little bit, then you're going to gain a little bit. So that's really how cryptocurrency works. And the volatility of the market is solely based on the fact that not a lot of people are into cryptocurrency. So the chances of making a lot of profit very fast, within a days or weeks, you could easily make your 1 month rent in about a week trading cryptocurrency if you do it the right way. And you can get your rent paid for free and still have continued profits. So just learning how to use cryptocurrency the right way, you can make a hefty profit and make a pretty good income on it. Trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Now, a lot of speculation has been going around as to the security of cryptocurrency. Well, think of this. All a hacker needs to do, and I have some information about hacking myself, but all a hacker needs to do is to get a password and a user ID, simply requesting that through your email, and then you sign in. When you sign in, there are Trojan keys that provide the hacker your exact ID, user ID for your bank account, and your user password. Now he's got full access to all of your money. How do you feel about that? Is that security pretty high? No, not really. The ones that really lose out are the banks. But the banks also charge fees too. And the banks only protect you up to $100,000 FDIC. Check it out. Google that. Now, within cryptocurrency, you have a encrypted, I think it's a 32-digit or 64-digit encryption code. Now, to decode each one of those, it's like using a pin lock. You have to change each code to its own specific number to unlock the whole code, to be able to get in, to get access. Now, think of this. Your user ID is just one of those codes. One. Your password is just one of those codes. Versus cryptocurrency, you have 32 of those different codes to 64 of those different codes, depending on what type of cryptocurrency you get. If you get an ERC20 token, then you got quite a few codes to be worrying about to be able to hack into someone's account. Not only that, but the security on it is tremendous. The development of cryptocurrency is huge. It's insane. The security on it is amazing. Okay, the technology has surpassed anything that's in banks, financial institutions all over the world. Cannot compare to the security of cryptocurrency. Now, you may be thinking, well, if I get into cryptocurrency, what about the laws and regulations? Well, cryptocurrencies are accepted in a lot of countries more than they have ever been, especially today. They're more accepted today than they have ever been. Now, go ahead and check 5 years from now, the acceptance will be even more. You look at the growth of acceptance. The growth of acceptance of cryptocurrency goes from here to here, right? So look at the growth of acceptance and base that on your willingness to invest. Now, you may be saying, well, That's kind of something to think about. Well, it is definitely something to think about, and there's a lot of things to think about. There's altcoins that might do good. Those are very, very high risks, as opposed to something that is already established, like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. Those are the three major top coins that are the best of the best. They have the highest security, the highest probability that they will do great in the long run, and they're the most well-known and most popularized cryptocurrency on the market. So, if you're looking at investing in cryptocurrency, please make sure you check out the link down below. It will get you right into Coinbase, and you can check out right down below, not that low, but down below, and you can check out Coinbase. And Coinbase is the only accepted cryptocurrency trading platform in the United States, and the assets and everything does go through your identity. Coinbase is accepted. You can check out the legal writing and the mumbo jumbo about Coinbase and how legalized it really is, and you can check out the connection with Coinbase and the U.S. government. So you can check that out. Just because you're going to be taxed on your cryptocurrencies with Coinbase, just like you should, and that's the only thing that makes it legal. A lot of things that are illegal in the United States are things that can't be taxed. Think about this: when they were trying to legalize marijuana, especially in California, it was illegal, but people were still selling it, and people that got caught with it got busted. But now you think all these people that are getting caught with marijuana now are not getting busted because they've got medical cards, right? That's the only way to get taxed, because they can tax it through your insurance company that then gives you the ability to purchase it legally. So something to think about. If the government can find a way to tax you on it, then that's going to be legal somehow, and nothing changes about it. So at the end of July, at the end of July, a company called Bakkt, B-A-K-K-T, that is B-A-K-K-T, Bakkt, and Bakkt is a international security exchange platform that has approved already a stock portfolio exchange type currency for Bitcoin called an ETF. Now, I don't really have the definitions of the ETF in front of me. I knew what they were, and I'm completely fine with it. As my investing strategy goes, I'm completely fine with it. It sounds great, but it seems to be only able to make rich people richer. So I don't really know if that's something that I'm going to get into, because you do have to be registered to be able to use BTC ETF initially. Then after a while, once the rich people get in with all their billions and millions of dollars, then they'll allow the middle class and lower class to get into Bitcoin. So they'll allow the rich people to get in bottom price, and then they'll allow you and me to get in higher price. Doesn't really sound like a great investment after all. But buying Bitcoin right now, before all that stuff happens, does sound like a great idea. And you may disagree, you may agree, but I can't please everybody. So if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscription button down below. And also in the description down below, there's also going to be a little link that shows Coinbase. So make sure you log in, click on that link, and just follow all the tutorials straight up to Coinbase. It is not spam. There is no corruption in that file. Everything's good to go. So go ahead and check out Coinbase. Do your own due diligence. Invest at your own risk. Never invest more than what you're willing to lose. And never take anybody's advice online on what coins to buy. Always make sure you do your own due diligence. But remember that Bitcoin is king. All right. Till next time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. helps out the channel a lot tremendously. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, have a great day, have a great week, happy investing, make lots of money, and the best wishes on all fortunes to all of you guys.